Wide aerial of thick green jungle. Canopy ripples in the wind. Camera dives into the undergrowth, damp, alive, full of movement. Bruce Lee steps through the brush, focused, breathing steady. Suddenly, a sharp hiss. He freezes. 020, the first strike. A vine swings toward him. No, not a vine, a camouflaged snake. He leaps backward, lands in a crouch. The snake lunges again. Bruce spins low, sweeping it away with a powerful kick. But the ground below him moves. The earth shifts. He's standing on a nest. Dozens of serpent forms coil and rise, not normal snakes. Jungle-made guardians, thick-bodied and faster than natural. 045, escape through nature. He breaks into a sprint. Forest blurs. Snakes chase through trees, slithering across branches above. Bruce ducks a hanging serpent, runs up a mossy trunk, flips over a spiked root, lands in dense ferns. Behind him, a massive log trap falls boom. Misses him by inches. Ahead, a wall of thorny vines. He doesn't slow down, runs straight up a leaning tree beside it, jumps midair, and kicks through the weak spot. 120, the tunnel trap. He enters a tight earthen tunnel, humid and crawling. Suddenly, walls shift. A serpent statue's eyes glow green, releasing darts. Bruce somersaults forward, dodges. A dart slices his sleeve. He grabs one midair and throws it into a root mechanism, gears lock. The trap stops. He breathes hard, blood pumping. 150, the underground chamber. He drops into an open stone chamber wrapped in roots. Floor covered in leaves. Silent. Too silent. Suddenly, leaves explode upward. A giant jungle serpent, root-infused and armor-scaled, rises from under them. It coils, strikes. Bruce dodges, counters with a palm strike to the side of its head. It recoils, then whips its tail. Bruce blocks, slides under, and kicks upward, fast, precise. 230, intense combat. The serpent rears back, mouth wide, fangs glinting. Bruce charges in. He ducks the bite, grabs a fallen wooden spear, snaps it in half, uses both ends like short staffs. He spins them, parrying the snake's rapid strikes. It lunges. He leaps off a wall, flying double kick into its side. It crashes into stone, writhing. Bruce sprints toward a hanging vine, swings across its body, and lands on its back. He strikes its head with rapid elbows, unrelenting. 320, finishing move. The serpent rears for a final bite. Bruce pulls a broken spear tip from the ground, runs straight at it. He jumps, twists in the air, spear in hand, and slams it through the top of the serpent's skull. Crack. It goes still. Silent. 345, ending moment. Bruce stands over the beast. Jungle wind rises again. The trees quiet. He looks ahead. The path opens. No words. Just breath. He walks forward, deeper into the unknown.